Good morning, everybody. Yeah, so welcome to this currency call where we share our analysis and ideas for a specific currency for each day. So this is the usual schedule of the week. Monday, Aussie and Kiwi, Tuesday, Euro, Wednesday, Pound, Thursday, Yen and Gold, Friday, Canadian Dollar. So today is Monday. Daniel will be sharing with us the Aussie and Kiwi analysis. So before we start today's session, do help me with this poll. Is this your first time here? So, yep, this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both the long-term investors and short-term traders. We will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, and also highlighting potential targets and risk. So a disclaimer here, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. So just a quick look at the poll. Yeah, we do have some first-timers here. So do help me with the next poll. How did you know about us? So just a quick introduction about Daniel. So Daniel is the coach in LCMS Traders Club and also a partner of Forex Briefcase. He has also been trading full-time for the past 5 years. So what we have to share today for the Aussie and Kiwi pairs will be very valuable for your trading today. So do pay attention to what he has to share. So just a quick look at the poll. Yeah, I see a lot of you coming in from the Telegram channel and Traders Club. So I just want to take a minute to share with you what the Traders Club is about. So yeah, this is our private group on Facebook where we teach, guide, signal and coach you to be a better and more profitable trader. So this is the place to be regardless of whether you are new, experienced, part-time or full-time trading. So if you have joined us from the Telegram, you may find these signals familiar. So you have been receiving them absolutely free. But the question you might have here is that we have told you when to enter a trade, but you do not know where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we not only give you the signals earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind the signals and accompanied with charts too. So we actually guide you on where to exit as well. So that in the long run, you not only earn from the signals, but you also learn how to trade better. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, if you are new to trading or require some coaching, we have members only live Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesday evenings to run through trade ideas and run through recent market economic developments, live coaching with Jean, group coaching with Jean, and also live trading with Jean too. So a trade together session where real trades are entered live. So this is the best time to pick Jean's brain on pretty much any trading related questions you might have. So lastly, we have a wide range of features here: analysis, currency watch list, daily currency watch list telling you what we're looking at, weekly currency correlation tables, daily trade ideas by Daniel himself, tutorial videos to get you started on the 5 steps, and much more. So this is the place where we provide you the best information, shortcutting your way to trading success. So to join the group, it's a paid subscription of $199 a year, which is less than $1 a day. So if you're facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any unnecessary risk, you need to join the club to get some guidance towards profit or some coaching to improve on your confidence and strategy immediately. So trading can be lonely, but with a close-knit community of senior traders, coaches, and with Jin to guide you, trading can definitely be enjoyable and profitable. So if you haven't already, please join us now. So with that, I'll pass the time now to Daniel for the currency call.
Okay, thank you, Jinwei. Great. So welcome everyone. Let's look at the market right now and see what's going to happen coming for this week. This is Monday, so we talk about Aussie, New Zealand. Let's take a look. Quick one. Where is here we go. Okay, that's not one share. Let's look at what's happening in the coming weeks coming ahead. Here, so if we take a look, Monday, nothing much seems to be happening. Of course, we have the business climate index coming in the evening. Bear in mind, this is Singapore time. So we can look at it. There's possibly, we already know that there was quite a good business climate in Germany last week. My expectation is going to be pretty good as well. However, we look at the Tuesday. Oh, there's a holiday in Japan, so everybody take note of it. However, I'm looking at New Zealand and and Aussie. And you can see there's retail sales coming in. Not too in fact. There's also there's 12 retail sales coming in here. U.S. dollar consumer confidence coming in. But what interests me, it will be on Wednesday morning. That's the RBNZ interest rate decision and policy statement. Now, would we be expecting to be any change in the interest rate decision? No, I don't think there will be any. There won't be any surprises right now. What will be most important is everybody is to look at the monetary policy statement. Now, with the monetary policy statements coming in, you will whether we see whether they are dovish or very bullish. Now, if you look at the recent all the economic data I have, the growth, inflation, housing, unemployment were really better than expected. So, and even recently, they also again came out of the lockdown again. So overall, very good news we have here. And in the last week, copper and all the commodities has been growing up as well. So a lot of good news happening for Aussie and New Zealand, and especially the New Zealand dollar right now. So the question, that's where you see New Zealand has been strengthening. However, do you look at the policy statement and whether or not they would like to taper this growth? Due to the worldwide COVID pandemic. So it's really important to watch this statement. But overall, all the data tells us is good. So, but I don't expect any interest rate changes. But you'll see a bullish or dovish. The rest will on Wednesday morning. You'll dictate whether it will New Zealand dollar will strengthen or weaken slightly ahead. Okay, then you look on of course, we have the European Germany GDP data coming in. We'll talk about that more later in the week. Overall, not too big news coming in. Of course, US GDP quarter to quarter coming in as well on the Thursday and Friday. If you look at the data here, nothing much really very special happening. So other than the major news to me coming in would be on Wednesday, looking at RBNZ. Okay, then if we look at the chart right now, if we look at the charts, where do I check the charts? Here you go. Now, if you look at let's look, since we're talking about New Zealand USD, let's look at this first, RBNZ. I think what's going to happen today and just last week with the commodity prices going up, pushing upwards, yes, push both the Aussie and New Zealand dollar pretty much higher. Now, my expression looking up is what will have possibly happen. It has broken for New Zealand dollar, it has broken my resistance zone of 0.72990. It's broken up. Now, I would believe that what could possibly happen is it is coming down right now to retest this support level before a possible push up in direction, pushing up in a direction. Okay, let me get this in. I'll probably push up. Then by come Wednesday, we'll pause. And if the news is going to be very bullish, bullish itself, no change in interest rate, it'll probably go up. Could continue to go up for the week to up to 0.7400. I don't think it will go push very much higher than to the next resistance level of 7498 or. So I would say 0.7500. I think this will be very interesting to see this resistance level of 0.740, this round number here. Now, if it's going to be bullish, I think it's going to push up here and we'll see what's going to happen at 0.7400. If it does break up, then it could burst out, but this is the inflection point that we probably want to take note of. But however, if they try to taper down, that means they try to give a dovish statement, saying everything data looks good, but however, we'll be very cautious and stuff. I honestly, with all the economic data, I think it's going to move across or slightly move upwards still, but maybe at a slower pace up, moving upwards. Okay, this is what I'm looking at the New Zealand dollar. Now, the Aussie USD has been really pushed up by commodity prices. If you haven't seen Copper has raised up all the way to $9,000, 9,000. I think it was platinum as well, going up. A lot of movement for the commodities, and this is really push up all the commodity related currencies like Aussie and New Zealand. Now Aussie last week already pushed, just last Friday is we pushed up all the way, breaking my very strong resistance here at 0.7800. It is pushed up outside and continue onwards, and in fact this morning I was just looking at it, it pushed even more higher before it comes back in. Now what would I be expecting here? I would be expecting a retracement back down, a possible retracement back down to the support level. Okay, currently quite close to my support zone here before a uptick of going back up, and we will again, I'll be interested to look at 0.7900 by probably going up all the way or by to Wednesday till Wednesday morning, where we'll see the RBNZ's rate interest statement. Now, if for looking at this, if it does indeed retrace back down, I'll be very interested to take a trade at maybe around 0.7830. Retrace back down. If it retraces back down and push up with 40 pips, just below my support zone, about 40 pips of stop loss for a possible almost 60 or 70 pips of take profit here. Almost 1:2 risk to reward ratio kind of trade when we go to Aussie USD. If you ask me, if I look at Aussie USD and New Zealand USD, I would prefer to take the Aussie USD with the strong fluctuations. However, if you does not see a retracement here, okay, and like today, if it continue move out breaking 0.7900, then I will also be interested to take a trade higher. If it breaks 7900 instead of retracement, I will probably take a trade here, taking about almost 40 pips of stop loss for a possible, again, another 60 or 70 pips of take profit targets. Again, bear in mind on Wednesday we have RBNZ with Aussie US and New Zealand US, very correlated currencies pair. I will look at it, both will impact, this RBNZ news will impact both Aussie US and New Zealand US, so take note of that as well. Okay, so pretty much that's what's happened, what I think going to happen for the Aussie USD and New Zealand USD. Just take note of, again, one Wednesday morning RBNZ in rate interest rate. So if anything, let's see, is there any questions coming in? Okay, good. If I see all the summary written down by Jinwei. Okay, everything is good. So let me pass it back to Jinwei.
Okay, thank you, Daniel, for the straight to the point analysis today. So, Guy asked, how do you feel about US yen? We do US yen on Thursday, right? Yeah, Thursday. So, yeah, Thursday is yen and gold. So, looking forward to you joining us on Thursday. So maybe Daniel can do a US yen on a Traders Club today, just for Traders Club members, right? Okay, awesome. So, yeah, I'm gonna paste something on some links in the chat. So join our subscribe to our YouTube channel for our daily recordings, free Forex Signals on our Telegram channel, Traders Club link if you want to subscribe for $199 a year, and also our Forex Briefcase link. Yeah, Guy, you have joined the club today. Welcome. Yeah, Daniel will reach out to you today for some onboarding. Yeah, so for Traders Club members, remember to join us tonight for the webinar session, group coaching. And the rest of you, see you guys tomorrow morning for the currency call. Okay, thank you so much and goodbye.